What's up guys, it's me Gemini PDA versus Mi Max 3 with a foldable keyboard. If you don't know, Gemini PDA is one of the best 6-inch with a physical keyboard, but the screen is small. Literally the screen is small. It's much better you buy a Mi Max 3 or a Honor Note 10. Let me show you the keyboard. Jump to the screen. So for example, I type the Microsoft Foldable Keyboard. Okay, Universal Foldable Keyboard. Let me just go to English. Type again. Okay, here we go. The best thing is that it's portable. You can easily use with your Mi Max 3 and Huawei Note Honor Note 10, and you're getting nearly a 7-inch display. This is literally small. Let me show you. Look at it. It's literally small. It folds in half. Okay, the current price is like, okay, 84 bucks. It's expensive. Okay, 84 bucks. Okay, and Mi Max is for like 250. Still around like 350 you're getting it. And Gemini PDA is going for like how much? 500 with the 4G version, right? Gemini PDA. Still you are going to be better off. It's going to have a Snapdragon 636. If you're going to have more money, just go with the Huawei Honor Note 10. Okay, Note 10. Okay, there's no internet connection. I don't know what's happened. Anyway, I hope you get the idea. It was me, Gmail. Subscribe and bye.